Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Talks, your trusted space for English learning, personal growth, and unstoppable motivation. Today's topic is one that can guide your entire life. It's called 20 Life Advice You Must Remember Forever. These are not just tips. These are truths. Lessons that come from experience, struggle, and wisdom. If you understand them, if you apply them, they can change your mindset, your habits, your relationships, and your future. Let's begin. Your mind is your greatest asset. Train it daily. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you think weak, you live weak. If you think strong, you live strong. Every day, feed your mind with positivity. Read something uplifting. Listen to something empowering. Speak to yourself with kindness. Your mind is like a garden. Plant good seeds. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. You won't always feel inspired, but you can always choose to act. Wake up early. Stick to your routine. Do what you said you would do. Discipline builds character. And character builds success. Speak less, do more. Talk is easy. Action is rare. Don't just say you'll learn English, practice it. Don't just say you'll change, start changing. Let your results speak louder than your words. Silent progress is powerful. Learn to be alone without feeling lonely. Solitude is strength. When you're alone, you meet yourself. You hear your thoughts. You understand your heart. Don't fear being alone, use it to grow. The strongest people are those who can stand alone and still stand tall. Stop chasing people. Start attracting them. You don't need to beg for attention. You don't need to prove your worth. Work on yourself. Build your skills. Improve your mindset. When you grow, the right people will find you. Attraction is better than chasing. Your time is your life. Protect it. Don't waste time on gossip, drama, or distractions. Every minute is a choice. Choose wisely. Plan your day. Prioritize your goals. Say no to what doesn't serve you. Time is the currency of success. Failure is not the end. It's the beginning. Every successful person has failed. Every champion has fallen. Failure is feedback. It teaches you. It strengthens you. Don't fear failure. Embrace it. Learn from it. Rise from it. Grow through it. Comparison kills joy. You are on your own journey. Your path is unique. Don't compare your chapter 2 to someone else's chapter 20. Celebrate your progress. Focus on your growth. The only person you should compete with is the person you were yesterday. Speak your truth, even if your voice shakes. Your voice matters. Your story matters. Don't hide. Don't shrink. Speak up. Whether it's in English or your native language, express yourself. Confidence is built through courage. Health is wealth. Don't ignore it. Your body is your foundation. Eat well, move daily, sleep deeply. Drink water. Take care of your health now, or you'll pay for it later. A strong body supports a strong mind. Learn something new every day. Growth is a daily habit. Learn a new word, a new idea, a new skill. Learning keeps your mind sharp and your spirit alive. The more you learn, the more you earn. Not just money, but wisdom, confidence, and freedom. Let go of what you can't control. Worrying doesn't change the outcome. Overthinking doesn't solve the problem. Focus on what you can control, your actions, your attitude, your effort. Let go of the rest. Peace comes from surrender. Your circle matters. Choose wisely. Surround yourself with people who lift you, not drain you. Who challenge you, not judge you. Who believe in you, not belittle you. Your environment shapes your energy. Protect it. Be kind, but don't be weak. Kindness is strength. It's leadership. It's influence. But don't let people walk over you. Set boundaries. Speak clearly. Respect yourself. You can be kind and powerful at the same time. Take responsibility for your life. Stop blaming. Stop complaining. Your life is your responsibility. Your choices create your future. Own your actions. Own your growth. Own your power. Progress is better than perfection. Perfection is a trap. It keeps you stuck. Progress is movement. It builds momentum. Don't wait to be perfect. Start now. Improve as you go. Progress leads to mastery. 7. Your words have power. Use them wisely. Words can heal. Words can hurt. Words can inspire. Speak with intention. Speak with love. Speak with clarity. Whether you're learning English or leading a team, your words matter. Rest is productive. You don't need to hustle 24/7. Rest is recovery. Rest is reflection. Rest is renewal. Take breaks. Sleep well, recharge. A rested mind is a powerful mind. So, believe in yourself, even when no one else does. Self-belief is your foundation. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. Speak to yourself like someone you love. Say, I can, I will. I must. Confidence begins with belief. Life is short. Live it fully. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for someday. Live now, speak now. Act now, love now. Your time is now. So now you've heard 20 life-changing pieces of advice, each one simple but powerful. These are not just lessons to remember. They are tools to live by. They are reminders to rise when you fall, to speak when you doubt, to act when you hesitate, and to grow when life challenges you. And here's the truth. You don't need to apply all 20 at once. Just start with one. Let it guide your day. Then add another. Let your life become a reflection of these principles. Because success is not built in one moment. It's built in the quiet choices you make every single day. You are not here to survive. You are here to thrive. You are not here to follow. You are here to lead. You are not here to be perfect. You are here to be real, to be strong, to be unstoppable. So take these lessons, speak them, live them, share them, and let them shape the person you are becoming. This is Mr. English Talks, reminding you that your journey is just beginning. Keep going. Keep growing. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay wise, stay grounded, and stay unstoppable.